Sugar and tooth decay. We have a tooth, and the inside of a tooth is made up of an enamel outer shell, a dentine inner hard layer, and a pulp soft center. Bacteria live on the outside of the tooth, but bacteria want to get inside our tooth, and especially into the pulp, which is full of food. If we look at the enamel in detail, the enamel consists of a calcium and phosphate wall. Sugar and tooth decay. Phase 1. Acid made from sugar causes acid holes. First, sugar intake, and in the mouth, bacteria eats and changes sugar into acid, and then attacks the tooth with acid. Looking at the inside of this tooth, we find acid causes calcium and phosphate to leave the outer enamel wall, leaving acid holes. These acid holes are a temporary tooth decay. Phase 2. Acid is neutralized and removed. Saliva tries to neutralize and remove this acid, but this acid is hard to remove. Inside the tooth, because saliva is not removing acid quickly enough, this acid causes even more acid holes, so the cavity gets larger. It takes repeated efforts by the saliva, and finally saliva removes all the acid after 40 minutes, so the acid damage stops. Phase 3. The tooth is repaired. Only after the acid is removed, now saliva can repair these acid holes, but saliva repair takes hours. And finally, saliva has repaired these acid holes. Looking at the inside of the tooth, the reason saliva repairs the enamel, because saliva contains the same minerals as enamel, calcium and phosphate, to repair the tooth. So finally, the tooth is repaired and healthy again. Here is a summary. Thank you for watching.